So guys, how to get action and stuff on Minecraft. So go to Chrome and search action and stuff. Bedrock. So you can see here, don't oh, don't don't open the Minecraft, open the Reddit. Scroll down and you can see here. So copy this and go to search and paste, and here you can see it says download here. It's downloading. I have that, so go to Sarkiver. I don't know, but go to search bar and search action and stuff. See here? Just wait. Oh, sorry, my bad. Go to download and search. Wait. If it's like this, you need to go over here and search action and stuff here. How? Let me see. Action. Oh, it's right here. Just search action and tap over here and open there. If you don't, it's right there. Okay, just wait. So it's done. Then go over here and source pack. It's first available in first owned. It's right here. Activate it. So always Minecraft beta, it's gonna change to Minecraft with actions and stuff. See right here, with action stuff. it's changed. So look, it changed. Now it's created. Sorry for the lag. And look, see? Where's the bow? I'm gonna hold. There. If you pickaxe, where's the pickaxe? If you pickaxe like this, it's like this. Sorry for the lag. It's not the game. I just lagged. If I'm recording, it's lagging. I spawn in the jungle. So that's it. So I'm gonna put on the comments the link. Okay. Bye.